2019 Mazda 2 USA, 2019 Mazda 2 hatchback, Mazda 2 facelift 2019, new Mazda 2 2019, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Mazda brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Mazda 2 USA, 2019 Mazda 2 hatchback, Mazda 2 facelift 2019, new Mazda 2 2019, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Mazda 2 USA, 2019 Mazda 2 hatchback, Mazda 2 facelift 2019, new Mazda 2 2019, new cars by. The Mazda 2 is one of these tiny subcompact automobiles, or super mini when you desire, that genuinely isn't going to get the interest it warrants. The identical because of the Mazda 3, Mazda 6, CX-3, and CX-5, 2019 Mazda 2 attributes by far the most current interpretation with the Kodo sole of movement style and design with sculpted body creases in addition to a greater grille with the start-off. In comparison towards the outgoing model, the Mazda 2 is sportier than just ahead of and offers a two-sculpt interior which is just about every cozy and function for this sort of a tiny automobile. 2019 Mazda 2 redesign. Talking about redesign, the 2019 Mazda 2 exterior body looks sleek with soft lines. However, the front end is finished with silver color as well as the corner of fog light is the black plastic. The front side will likely be made by using a dimensional chrome grille. Upcoming transform is changing the old mirror with up-to-date mirror. Also, this new Mazda 2 can have a fresh high-class entire body color like a machine gray color. The new Alter is employing the wheel arches for this new generation. Additionally, this Mazda 2 would be launched in some versions like hatchback and sedan. Naturally, every model has its precise design and style and functionality. The advanced engineering is among the most impressions in the interior. The persons can make use of the navigation. All the more, they might use instrument cluster, steering wheel, and touch screen show for infotainment feature. The display is the central panel. Additionally, the interior dashboard of this cabin has become created from the aluminum accent. The next improvements which will be identified during the cabin are updated telescoping wheel and pedal. The additional spacious cabin will let up to 5 passengers come all together right here. They'll feel cozy with the premium leather seats. 2019 Mazda 2 engine. 2019 Mazda 2 variant makes use of the 1.4-liter engine to improve the powertrain up to 114 horsepower around. This quantity might be smaller than SUV or sports auto, but it is sufficient to support day-to-day basis action. The 2019 Mazda 2 engine utilizes gasoline for fuel, and Mazda 2 could be the best car in substantial efficiency degree. Its transmission is 6 automatic. To boost the safety facet, Mazda put safety belt and airbags. Some sensor will get the job done to detect parking, lane, and various automobile about. Thanks.